Hey lads, TechScanning here. So while it is confirmed one of the most hyped phones of 2023, the Nothing Phone 2 will go official sometime next month. But guess what? It's our lucky day and we got our first look at the Nothing Phone 2, showcasing the phone from almost all angles. So looking at the renders, the design looks recognizable with the last year's model having a transparent back panel and LED glyph. However, the company has done some tweaks to the design and most notably the flat sides are now rounded, giving us the reminiscent of the iPhone 6. Speaking of the rear design of the handset, here the overall shape of the LED glyph looks similar. However, the strips are now split into multiple parts. This could give us more individual control over them for custom lighting effects. Like its predecessor, the Phone 2 will sport two rear camera sensors, but this time with a dual LED flash, while we can see the camera recording indicator turn from a dot to a small line. Now talking about the front of the handset, we can see the slightly curved design that will make it comfortable to hold. By the way, the company has already confirmed its upcoming handset will have a 6.7 inches display that is 0.15 inches bigger than its predecessor. Further, the Nothing Phone 2 is confirmed to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. That means we're gonna see a huge performance boost and more battery backup compared to the last year's model. Plus, it will get a battery bump from 4500 to 4700 mAh. So what do you think about the Nothing Phone 2 design language? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. As the handset is confirmed to launch next month, we may see some more information or even the live look of the handset. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.